me Udit. Welcome back to my channel Rising Sun Udit. The intro which you saw right now was sent to me by one of my subscribers. So they also have a channel. The link I'll put in the description. If you like, you can go and check it out. So today we are there with a product from Amazon. So we are going to unbox it and review. So let's go. So it's none other than the Gorilla Tripod. So this is the tax invoice of Amazon. So as you see, this is the Gorilla Tripod, guys. 13-inch mobile and DSLR camera, action camera, and yeah, all these cameras you can fit it up. It's cool, guys. It's an awesome thing. You will be thinking why I'm not buying the original tripod. So for now we'll do with this, and maybe next year or after some time we'll buy the original tripod. Till then we'll use this. So let's unbox it, guys. So guys, this product is from MALAYALAM. Okay, yeah, I think it's the best one, the MALAYALAM company, because it is given the Amazon choice. So mostly I buy only the Amazon choice products. So it's a product from Amazon choice. So just unbox it. So just keep it there. So it comes with a mobile holder. So in some tripods we don't get the mobile holder, we have to buy it externally, and it comes around 149 rupees if you buy it separately from other companies. So it's good that it came together. So a tripod is the best thing for all YouTubers and vloggers, anything. It's very good, very comfortable, very smooth thing. So I suggest all the YouTubers and vloggers to check out the tripods. So this is the Gorilla Tripod. So when I saw the photo in Amazon, I thought it not maybe comfortable. It may be plastic. But when I got it in my hand, it's original rubber, guys. Super cool rubber. So you can keep it in any angle, like this, and you can straighten it, and you can keep it like this. Yeah, so this is all are flexible. So you can keep it like this, and yeah, here you have to put the mobile holder and just put it up properly. So this you have to just, so you can see here, like there's a screw like that here. So you have to just put this into this. Perfect, guys. Proper cool it is. So it's superb, guys. It's very comfortable. I thought it would not be comfortable, but it's very comfortable, very smooth, very handy. Yeah, it's superb thing. Quality, guys. Quality superb. So as you can see in this, you can keep it on a rod. You can just, yeah, it's fully flexible. You can just, however you want, you can fold it. So you can see both the photos here. Then it can be kept on camera. So for the camera, you don't need the mobile holder. And just remove it as you saw how I put it. Just remove it the same way. Then you can put your camera here. So it's for cameras, mobile phones, all in one, guys. All in one tripod. It's the best one, and the steps. It's given steps how to use it and all. And yeah, it's a mini tripod of 13 inches, and for mobile with holder for mobile and flexible gorilla strand for DSLR and action cameras. So it's a very good product. If you want, just check it out. I'll put the link from the Amazon in the description. Go just check it below. So that's all for now, guys. With a new video, I'll be back. Till then, it's me signing off. Goodbye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and give the like for the product. Give a like, guys.